Hey guys, so this afternoon I got my Erhu. It appears to be a pretty good quality. The package that I got it in was severely just beat up, like someone stomped on it, but luckily the Erhu was intact. It came with strings, rosin. This is my own rosin. It seemed to have worked better than the almost clear rosin it came with. The snake skin, the python skin, had on the seller image it showed a synthetic skin on here, but when it arrived with real python skin, complete with the scale is right here is kind of peeling up. That's an indicator of quality. But it came as quite a surprise. Quite a step up from the synthetic. And you notice the scales are uneven. Can you stop slamming doors out there? This whole thing's made of maple. It's been dyed to look like rosewood. I believe these tuning pegs are straight up maple. Yeah. So my playing's kind of bad, but the tone seems pretty good for something that's a total of only about $50. $60. The Tianjing is already tied. I've heard complaints from other people that theirs did not come with the Tianjing tied, so please keep that in mind. The tracery is, of course, plastic. Just looking at the layers of it, just noticed that it's got layers. The tracery is plastic. It's this kind of a, I don't know what you'd call it. It's like a beige yellow color. And whoa, inside. It's going to be hard for you to see on camera, but inside there is, I can see it is maple. And you can see where the stain kind of went down in here, indicating that they used a spray rig to stain it. And I'm not sure what this piece is made of. If it's some kind of plastic or I think it's plastic. Whatever. I'm surprised that the head did not break off. So I would recommend this to a beginner who knows how to set up an instrument. And I, for one, think it's pretty good, but it can be a real headache if you don't know how to set up an instrument. I didn't either. I had to go on YouTube and look up tutorials. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you then. Bye.